Hey, hi everyone, this is Vamsi. I'm back with another video. In this video, I would like to say about smart code for you. Use a Python with a simply way and smarter. In previous video, I have explained about how to install the Anaconda. In this video, I can show you how to launch the Jupyter Notebook for coding. Let's start the video. First, launch the Jupyter. It is an Anaconda navigator where you can find the Jupyter Notebook. That's open. First, create a folder. Go to new and right side of top and go to folder. You have created a folder that is, yeah, and you want to create a shell where you want to code. Go to the new and notebook here, Python 3. Click here and it will be open for you. Yeah, it's which is in the form of green line. It is a shell where you have to do code. Here some up the top of the some instructions is there, some file editing, view, insert cell, kernel, write it, and here it is a save. And if you are adding any below insert cell for new insert cell, like click here, you can see the another cell here, and tab down, mark down, and you want to change the cell one by one from this, and this is a run button and this is a stop, where when you keep here in the code you can code in the cell. When you keep here heading, you can make the headings. Okay, at first, then start the video. At first trick is list comparison, run the button, run the cell. Yeah, see, it is in a headline form. Okay, it is single line list comprehension method. Just run this button. Yeah, you can see the outputs. When you do this in the loop form, there is a it is a in loop method. We have a lot of them, nearly 5 steps, where we have compared to list comparison method. You have the difference between the loop method and smarter method. Okay, let's run this button. Yeah, see the next one is go to heading, make the heading, and the next one is map function. Run this button. For shortcut for running is shift plus enter. This is a shortcut for run. And what is mean by map? Map take a function and list as a parameters. It is applies the function to every item in a list. It is ready to handling because it avoids the using of loops, and simply we can say that map is the combining of elements in a function. Let's I will show one example for you. This is the example for map. You can run this button. Yeah, you can see this 1 4 9 16 25 is output. The squares of 1 2 3 4 5. Mapping means the combination of combining the filter. Go to heading, filter function. Whereas filter is a name applied to filter a list and return the items such that satisfy that condition. If you want only the positive items in a list, you can define the filter function and then apply the filter to the list. Yeah, I hope you understand. Simply we can say the filter function is if you want a positive numbers in a given list, you can use the filter. If you want a negative numbers in a list, you can give the filter for negative numbers. I will give an example for you. Yeah, this is an example. Define def define function, which was self-defined by user give this function. In Python is the best thing has self-defined. The user can define the function. Later on my videos I will explain about that. Let's see this. Let's run this function. Yeah. Here I have filtered positive. POS means positive. I have filtered that positive letters, so I have get this positive things. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a positive in given list. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and when you do for negative list, you have get the negative things. I will show you. Let's run this button. Yeah, you can see here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are the negative elements. And fourth method is join method. Heading for this. Whereas join is a way of concatenating strings. Where simply we can say this adding of two strings or two letters or two words, we use the join method. I simply have given one example for you. You can understand more. Yeah, this is an example. Where X is equal to subscribe to code with you and like, share, comment. It is a title, it is a name, it's a variable. We can use a variable, any variable. Yeah, I can use the title variable. Instead of variable, I can use is equals to inverted comma gap. If you give the inverted comma gap, it makes the sentence gap. If you use and if you use if you don't use a gap method, you can see the output as with the same line and the same combination. Then I use the join method here and I print the output only and run this shell. Yeah, see. Subscribe to code with you and like, share, comment. If I don't use the gap method, see, like this will be occur. So we want to use here gap, it will appear. When you compare this with the loop method, I will show you. This is a loop method. When used in the loop format, we can use like this. When you run this, where you can output also same. On the next, I think so. You have understand this simple, faster way methods. After learning the Python, you can know more about these methods, these smarter methods. I will explain later on the Python videos. I hope you are understand about this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Bye bye, friends.